Let's take a look at how a zip file password can be cracked, demonstrating the importance of using strong passwords. First, we need to extract the hash of the password-protected zip file using the zip2john utility, which generates a hash file for us to work with. Next, we use the powerful john tool to attempt cracking the password. Simply run john hash.out, or for better results, provide a custom word list like rocku.txt using -- word list option. As you can see in the results, cracking a weak password takes only seconds, highlighting just how vulnerable simple passwords are. This underscores the importance of choosing complex passwords that are long, unique, and include a mix of characters. Remember, strong passwords are your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Always use strong passwords and protect your sensitive files carefully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.